we were discussing how to check whether the given outcome is equally likely, yes or no. Okay, quickly we'll be covering it. Then first one, driver is attempting to start the car, whether the car will start or it will not start. 50-50% chances there, half probability is there, no. It depends upon the condition of the car, whether the car is in good condition or not. That's why the given event, this one is not equally likely. Okay, now the next one, a player, see the cursor, the next one, I am just giving the tick over here. A player attempt to shoot a basketball. Yeah, a player attempt to shoot a basketball. He or he shoots or miss the shot. A player is attempting to shoot a basketball. What is the chance whether it will be a hit or will be a miss? Okay, is it equally likely? Like 50-50% chances there that it will be a hit or will be a miss? Yes, Aisha, you said something. Please tell me.
Not equally likely.
This one is also not equally likely. Why?
Because the player might stand in different directions. So
Yeah,
it might go or it might not.
Okay, it depends upon the player. Even if the player is standing in that direction only, it depends upon the efficiency of the player, how much preparation the player has done. Okay, that also depends. Okay, if the player has not prepared, the player is not prepared at all, okay, then what even if he is going to just target, he's like the most chances is there that he is going to miss it. If he has prepared very well, then more chances will be there that he is going to hit the target. So it depends upon the efficiency of the player. We cannot say that it is equally likely outcome. Why? What is the meaning of equally likely outcome? The meaning of equally likely outcome is there same probability for both, for hit or for miss? No, same probability will not be there. Same percentage is not there. Same chances is not there. It depends upon the efficiency of the player. Okay, if he is such a good player, then there is more chance that he is going to hit the target. So this is not equally likely. Now the next one, a trial is made to answer a true false question. The answer is right or wrong. So when we are choosing a true false question, either we are going to mark it true or we are going to mark it false. Okay, either true or false. How many outcomes are there? 2 outcomes. Okay, getting it right, there will be 50% chance that it will be right. There is 50% chance that it will be wrong. So is it equally likely?
Yes.
Yes, it will be equally likely because both are having same chances. It's just two options are there. Either it will be true or will be false. If you are marking true, okay, another student is marking false, okay, any one of the like be it true or false, anyone will be correct, right? So 50-50% chances there, and yes, it is equally likely. Now the next one, a baby is born. Who knows the baby is going to this? Whenever a baby is born, it can be a baby boy, it can be a baby girl. Okay, it doesn't depend upon any factor. So we will say that it is also equally likely because 50% chances there that it will be a baby boy, 50% chances there that it will be a baby girl. That's it. Okay. So this is how we will be reading the statement and we'll say whether it is equally likely or not. Now the next one. Next one, number 3 question. See carefully. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning? So why, whenever there is a cricket match or any match, why it starts with the tossing of coin? Because it is equally likely. Because it is equally likely. There is 1/2 probability for getting head and 1/2 probability for getting tail. So it is equally likely outcome. That's why it's fair. Okay, it's fair to just decide which team is going to do the batting at first. It will be better to decide by tossing a coin, because 50% chances there we are going to get head, and 50% chances there we are going to get tail. So what are we going to write over here? We are going to write here that since it is equally likely outcome, that's why tossing a coin is a fair way. Fair means there will not be any partiality with any of the team. Okay, 50% chances there for team A, 50% chances there for team B. Tossing a coin is a fair way of deciding which team is going to bat at first. Okay. Now the next one, which of the following cannot be probability of the event? Can you see question number 4? Which option is the correct option? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? Please tell me.
Option B.
Option B. Rest of the student?
Ma'am, can you explain me why?
Yeah, first let me ask everyone. Which of the following cannot be the probability? 2 by 3, minus 1.5, 15%, 0.7. Which cannot be the probability? I said that probability will always lie between 0 to 1. We can also write it as a probability of any event is greater than or equals to 0 and is less than or equals to 1. It will always lie in between 0 to 1. Minimum, it can be 0. Maximum, it can be 1. Okay. So, can you see minus 1.5? Is that acceptable as a probability? Is that acceptable? Minus 1.5?
No.
No, right? So that's why this can't be possible. Negative, how we can take negative? I am telling you 0 means impossible event. Okay, I am telling you that 0 is impossible event. 1 is sure and certain event. So negative, we cannot think about negative. Minimum it can be 0. It cannot go beyond 0. Negative number we cannot take for showing any probability. Okay, minus 1.5 being a probability is completely incorrect. Whatever number you are going to take to represent the probability, that must lie. That must lie in between 0 to 1. Okay. Now the next question is there. Probability of E. Got it, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Noah, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question, question number 5. Probability of E is already given as 0.05. What is the probability of not E? We know a formula. What is the formula? Have I written it over here? Yes, I have written that probability of E plus probability of not E is equals to what? Is equals to anyone?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Is there any formula? Probability of E plus probability of not E
Yes.
is equals to what?
Probability of is equals to 1.
Yes, this is the formula we were discussing in the previous class, that probability of event E plus not E is not going to happen. That is 1. So in question number 5, it is given that probability of E is 0.05. What is the probability of not E? Please use this formula to find not E. Okay, E is 0.05 plus not E we don't know. Not E we don't know is equals to 1. Is it possible to find the other probability over here? Is it possible?
No.
Yes or no? Probability of E is given as 0.05. Find probability of not E. Not E. Find it. Is it possible for us to find?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we can find it. How? We know there is a formula. What is the formula? The formula is probability of event E plus probability of not E is equals to 1. We know this formula, and with the help of this formula, we will be able to find probability of not E. Getting it? Got it? Okay, let's continue. So we are done with question number 5. Now all the question, whatever is there after that, everything is based on favorable outcome by total outcome. Okay, let's read question number 6. A bag contain lemon flavored candies. A bag. Let me wipe everything over here. A bag is there which contain candies. That is lemon flavored candies. Okay, a bag contain lemon flavored candies only. Only lemon flavored candy is there. Malini take out one candy. Malini is taking out one candy. Without looking into the bag, she is taking out one candy. Okay, what is the probability that she take out an orange flavor candy? Probability
0.
of
0.
getting orange flavor candy. Orange flavor candy. If there is only lemon flavored candy, is there any possibility of taking out orange flavor candy? No. What is the probability? That is impossible. Impossible means 0. Okay. And what is the probability of taking out lemon flavored candy without seeing in the bag? If she is randomly taking out a candy, what is the probability of taking out a lemon flavored candy? What is the probability? Tell me.
1.
Yes, sure event. We represent sure event by 1. Whatever she will take it out. Whatever she will take it out, that will be lemon flavored only. We are sure about that. And whenever we are sure about anything, we represent it with 1. 1 as a probability. The way in our percentage term we say, no, we got 100%. Okay, we got 100% marks in the exam. That means total marks we got. In terms of probability, we will be saying it 1. 1 means complete, 1 means sure, 1 means certain, okay, and 0 means impossible. So probability of getting lemon is 1, probability of getting orange is 0. Why? Because the bag is having only lemon flavored candy. Let's move ahead. Now the next question is it clear to everyone? Please keep on noting down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. The next question is, it is given that in a group of 3 students, group is there. How many students? 3 students. The probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. Okay, probability that 2 students not having same birthday It is given over here as 0.992. See this number 0.992. It is lying in between 0 to 1. Okay, every time I will remind you, whatever probability we will be finding, whatever probability is given in the question, it is always lying in between 0 to 1 only. It will not exceed 1. Okay, it can't be more than 1. It can't be less than 0. What is the probability that two students have the same birthday? What is the probability that two students have same birthday? Same birthday. Can you see both the statement are just the reverse of each other? Can you see? Are you able to observe, carefully analyze that this statement, two student not having same birthday, two student having same birthday, it is just the reverse of each other, just the opposite statement we are having? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And whenever we are having opposite statement, which formula we can apply? Again, this formula, that E not E1. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this formula only we will be applying. And how to find the probability of two students have same birthday? Probability, same birthday. Probability that two student have same birthday, plus probability that two student doesn't have same birthday. Okay, doesn't have same birthday. Is equals to 1. Among these two, one we already know, that is given as 0.99 something. One we already know, other we will be able to find. Okay, so we know that probability here it is given that two students having the same birthday 0.9 by using the formula, that other will be 1 minus 0.992. Let me know one by one. Whatever I have written on the screen, is that making sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, you have responded. Alvina? Okay. Yes. Abdul?
Yes.
Okay. Who else is there? Afnan? Noah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nabil? Now only you join, Nabil. Okay. See, we are discussing probability over here. Okay. And most of the, we will be covering most of the part today. In the next class, we will just be left with the cards problem. Okay. That we will be discussing in a separate class. Today, we are trying to cover as much as possible.
Yeah.
Sumaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whatever I have written is clear to everyone. Ifra, right? So 1 minus 0.992, we will be doing the subtraction and we will get the probability. We will get the probability that two students having same birthday. Okay. So this formula is very useful. Every time we will not be going to check what is the favorable outcome, what is the total outcome. Sometimes this formula will also help us. We must know this formula, probability of event E plus probability of not E is equals to 1. Okay. Now, subtraction, I believe you will be able to do 1 minus 0.992. Let me help you recalling. 1 means 1.0000 you can write. Okay. And 0.9992 this way you can write. And then you can do the subtraction, because the decimal subtraction, there is a rule, and that rule is decimal below decimal. First arrange it and then do the subtraction. One was not having any decimal, but 1 rupees and 1.0000 rupees is the same thing. Okay, 1 rupees 0000 paise, it's the same thing. So we can put the decimal, we can write 000, and then we can do the subtraction. Because we are not allowed to use the calculator, we have to do it manually in the rough section. So this is how we are going to do it. Okay. Now we are done with question number 7. Now back to back, a bag contain 3 red ball. Yeah, question 8 says there is a bag, 8 red ball is there, 3 red ball and 5 black ball. 3 red ball and 5 black ball is there in the bag. Okay. A ball is drawn at random. Randomly, we are taking out a ball from the bag. Randomly, we are taking out a ball from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? What is the probability that we are taking out a red ball? What is the probability of getting a red ball? Red ball. Can you tell me, anyone, what will be the probability of getting a red ball? Formula is number of favorable
3/8.
Exactly. Number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome. What we want? Red ball. What we want? Red ball. Number of favorable outcome. How many red ball we are having? 3 red ball we are having. That is 3 favorable outcome we are having. What is the total number of outcome? That means what is the total number of ball? Total 5 plus 3, that means 8 ball is there. So total outcome we will be writing in the denominator. If possible, we will do the cancellation. If not possible, this is our probability of getting a red ball. What is the probability of getting not red? What is the probability of getting not red? Again, that magical formula we are going to apply. That is probability of red plus probability of not red is equals to 1. So not red will become 1 minus 3/8. This step is clear to everyone. Let me know. Please do the subtraction and tell me what are we going to get. 1 minus 3/8 is what?
5/8.
5/8. 5/8. And you can check here. You can check here. If we will separately go, you can do the checking part also. You can do the checking part also. The checking part also. If separately we will go and find probability of getting not red, that means not red means blue. Okay, not red means blue. Eventually, not red means what? Blue. So what is the probability of getting blue? Favorable outcome by total outcome. 5/8 is the probability of getting blue. And not red only, we have got that only. Not red, we have got that only. Can you see it over here? Can you see it? So what we have to find here? We have to find a bag is there which is having 3 red ball, 5 blue ball. Find the probability of getting red. Favorable outcome, total outcome. 3/8. What is the probability of getting not red? We will be using the magical formula. But checking part, I have shown you that for getting the blue ball also, probability is 5/8 only. So not red and blue is the same thing. 2 types of ball is there. If I am saying I don't want red ball, that means I want blue ball, because only 2 different colors are available. Okay. Let's move ahead. Is that clear to everyone? Please keep on telling me. Otherwise, I will feel that it is not getting clear to you. It's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead. Next one is a box contain 5 marble, 8 white. Oh, you will be able to do. I am leaving it for you. Next one, a piggy bank contain 100, 150 paise coin. Okay, let's do that. A piggy bank is there. a piggy bank is there. Here we are having 100 50 paise coin. Okay. 50 rupees 1 coin. 20 rupees 2 coin. And 10 rupees 5 coin. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, if we will turn the bank, piggy bank, how we do? We just turn it upside down and we try to take out any coin from there, right? What is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin? What is the probability that the coin will be a 50? If we are turning it down, upside down, okay, this is suppose a piggy bank, I'm turning it down like this. A piggy bank, I'm turning it down like this. What is the probability? What is the probability that we are going to get a 50 paise coin? Anyone? Can you tell me? Anyone from here? See the piggy bank, and the question is probability of getting 50 paise coin.
First, we can total the coins.
Yes, we can do the total.
So it will be 180.
Yeah. What will be the probability of getting 50 paise coin?
Then a number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Exactly. Here also we are going to use the favorable. Number of favorable outcome. Please don't write 50. Number of favorable outcome. How many 50 paise coin is there? 100. 100 favorable cases are there. 100 favorable. This only confuses the student. They end up writing 50 over here. No. 50 paise coin is there, but how many coin are there? 50 paise. 100 coins are there. That is the favorable number of outcome. By total number of outcome, how many total coins we are having? 100 coin of 50 paise, 50 coin of rupees 1, 20 coin of 2 rupees, 10 coin. How many total coins we are having? Can you tell me how many total coins we are having? 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10? 180. So 180. This is the probability. This is the probability of getting 50 paise coin. Here 2-3 different types of figures are given just to create the confusion. How many coins we are having? Favorable number of outcome by total number of outcome. That's it. Okay. Now the second part is asking, will not be a 5 rupee coin. How many coins are there which will not be a 5 rupee coin? For that, we can first find what is the probability of getting 5 rupee coin. Okay, either we can do that way or I'm showing you the other way also. See carefully, the other part of the same question says, will not be a rupee 5 coin. What is the probability that it will not be rupees 5 coin? There are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. The first way is, if it is not 5 rupee coin, then forget about this 10 coins. Okay, how many favorable outcomes we are having? 100 plus 50 plus 20. 100 plus, because what we want, we just don't want this 5 rupee coin. So forget about that 5 rupee coin. Just exclude, keep it aside. Keep it aside that 10 coins and count how many coins are there. So total 180 coins was there. Now we are keeping aside the 10 coin. That means now 170 coin is there. Yes or no? If we are keeping aside 5 rupee coin, how many coins are there in total? 180 coin was there. Now if 10 coin you will keep it aside, 170 coin will be there. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, mom.
Yes. 170 is the favorable outcome. And what is the total outcome? Total number of coin in this piggy bank, that is 180. This is what we are going to get when we are talking about will not be a 5 rupee coin. This is one of the way. Other ways, you first find probability of getting 5 rupee 5 coin. First find it. Probability of getting rupees 5 coin. How many coin are there which is of 5 rupee? Let me wipe it over here. 10 coins are there. You can see here 10 coin which is 5 rupees. So favorable outcome 10, total outcome 180. This is what we are getting of getting 5. But we want to find not getting 5. Not getting 5. Not getting rupees 5 coin. So again, we will be using the magical formula, and that is 1 minus that 1 by 18 we will be doing. So what are we going to get? Please tell me. 1 minus 1 by 18 is what?
17 by 18.
17 by 18 we are getting by using this method. By using this method. And the previous method has what? Given us the answer. Can you see 170 by 180? That means 17 by 18. Can you see it? Are you understanding both the process? Everyone? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it will not be a 5 rupee coin, you can keep it aside. Count all of them. That is favorable outcome. Okay. Now collect that 5 rupee coin also and count everything. That is total outcome. Favorable outcome by total outcome will give you the answer. Now the next method is if you have to find the coin which is not 5. So better first find the coin which is 5. Now the magical formula will help you to find the coin which is not 5. Got it both the method? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, let's continue. Gopi buy a fish from the shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper take out one fish at a random from a tank containing 5 male, 8 female. What is the probability? Oh, you will be able to do. Okay, this is just like the boy problem. This much of white ball is there. This much of red ball is there. Maybe 5 boys are there, 3 girls are there. What is the probability of choosing? You will be able to do. Let's do this question, or maybe suppose we are having a die. Maybe let me give you an example.
Ma'am, do we have to use the same formula in every question?
Which formula?
This number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Yes. In every problem, we are going to use the same formula. We are done with the like most of the question we have discussed over here. The die one, this one we will be discussing now, 13 number. Okay, because the rest of the question I can see it's very simple. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? Okay, this one is also very easy. A game chance consists of arrow. These are equally likely. What is the probability that it will be 8? Okay, this is also easy. Okay, when there is a game of chance like this, arrow will go on any of the number. Again, what is the favorable outcome? What is the total outcome? Probability of getting 8. Probability of getting 8. What is the favorable outcome? Only 1 8 is there. 1 8 is there. Only one section is there. Okay, that is containing 8. So favorable outcome is 1. Okay, please don't write favorable outcome as a 8. Favorable means number of favorable outcome. How many times 8 is there? Only one time is 8 is there. By total number of outcome means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 numbers are there. So that is the total outcome. And 1 by 8 is the probability of getting 8. Probability of getting 1 by 8. Probability of getting 2, 1 by 8. Because total is 8. Okay. And getting any number, it will be 1 by 8. Now the next one is probability of getting odd number. Odd number. So from here you count it. How many odd number you are having? Can you tell me how many odd numbers you are having over here? 1 is there. What else is there? 1 is there. 3 is there.
Ma'am,
1 is
4.
there. 3 is there. 5 is there. 7. 4 odd numbers we are having. What is the total outcome? 8. That will give us the probability of choosing odd number. Okay. This is how you can find even number. This is how you can find greater than 2. This is how you can find the rest. Now suppose I am giving you a die. Okay. Or we are rolling a die, but this is different. Okay, this is different die. Here we are not having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are having on the die, we are having A, B, C, again A, and again A. Okay, what is the probability of getting it? What is the probability
4/6.
of getting A on the die? Yes, everyone. I'm expecting answer from everyone. One by one.
4/6.
4/6.
4/6. Abdul, Afnan, Aisha, you
2/3.
said 4/6, right, Aisha?
No, ma'am, 2/3.
Aisha, you said 2/3. Okay,
I'm
4/6. Alvina,
2/3.
2/3. Aisha, Alvina. Abdul, Afnan, Arya, Ifra,
2/3.
Nabil,
2/3.
Alvina, Sumaya.
Ma'am, 2/3.
What are you getting? See, the question is here in front of you.
2/3.
Alvina, what are you getting?
We said 2/3.
Okay, you said 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 favorable outcome. How many total outcome? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2/3. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, this is what. Just a moment. No, let me see. Any question is there which still we want to we have to discuss. In tomorrow's test, we will be getting this type of questions only. Card question still we have not started. Okay. In the next class.